Hey guys, welcome back, and we're back at the west coast down Amroth again. Last time I was here I had the MN99. I was a bit cautious. I was playing up there on the cliffs, and yeah, lots of rocks are falling, so I'm a bit closer to the coast today. And we've got the C34 KM today out on the rocks. Really awesome piece of kit. We've got that single speed there with zero hookup. I'm trying to look at that, zero hookup there. We got V4 tyres on it today, guys. Yeah, enough chatting. Let's hit the rocks. It is so controlled, so quiet. I am spoiled for choice today, guys. There's so many lines to take. See that zero hookup there as I come down. Not a single bit of scratching going on. I think I can see a nice line out there. My tyres are a little bit wet in that rock pool. But hopefully those barnacles will give me grip with these V4 tyres and I'll be able to pull myself up and out. Easy peasy. What an awesome spot. I could stay here all day. And it's nice that I can come down these big drops here and no hookup. Beautiful. Very slippery there for the V4 tyres, moonwalking. Alright, now let's get tricky, let's do some climbing. Easy work, easy peasy. What a shot. Really nice control. When I stop, it stops. Super quiet as well. I do love this single speed. Call me silly, I'm going to avoid that salty water. Try and keep it on the rocks. So it feels at home down here, guys. Tricky line. I think it's doable though. Those barnacles are giving me loads of grip. I said at the start of the video, but I could stay here all day. There's just so many lines. No matter where you look, there's somewhere to go. This looks like a tricky one. I'll try and ridge my way up. Try and get a better angle there. There we go. Oh, what a machine. What a little machine. Awesome. Try and get to the top here. Bit of a gap there in the rocks. Not a problem at all. I will say, guys, this is pretty challenging. I gotta look where I'm going, looking at the camera, looking at the car. Give us a thumbs up, guys. Slow and steady. What an awesome little truck. The rocks are wet and slippery, so it's going to be a really good test for those V4 tyres. having zero hookup really does make taking this truck places so easy. Not a problem for the V4 tyres. Canyonero, Canyonero. Really nice line here. Okay guys, to end the video I'm going to try and make my way across some extremely tricky lines here, and yeah, we're going to finish up on those rocks for a really nice photo finish. So yeah, some tricky terrain here, tricky line up here, all the way up here, and then yeah, we're going to try and make our way up across onto the rocks. Well, I say tricky, nothing's been tricky for this little rig today, fair play. Smooth, controlled, plenty of grip. It's been a pleasure. Nearly lost the windscreen there, it's hanging on. I think it's going to go now when we go down this drop. Anyway. Well, I love just spotting the line. Come on, V4 tyres. Oh wow, that is traversing some silly angles right now. If this gets out here, I will be very impressed. Wow, and I may have to make a slight adjustment here. What an awesome little truck. Ooh, a step, not a problem at all for it. Nearly home. This end bit looks really steep, so those barnacles give me enough grip to get up. Oh wow. There you have it guys, the C34 KM making the rocks look easy. Awesome spot. But as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. That is pinned in a single speed.